know who I am, I hope? You better know who this is. The Herndon girl, Miss Laura.
Hi.
We're going to show you something we taught for our twice a month Sunday West Coast swing class here in Herndon, Virginia. Laura and I, not that long ago, taught Sugar Tuck Whip 2.0. So tonight we're doing just Sugar Tuck, the original Sugar Tuck Whip. How it begins though is a Sugar Tuck. First we're going to do the basic with just the lady's right hand, leader's left hand into a 6-count sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 combination, sugar push, tuck turn, sugar tuck. Then we're doing it with the lady's right hand, left hand, my right hand. So it is different in just the arm placement, but it's still the same premise. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I'm using my left hand also down low for that, just to give her some balance. Using it for the compression helps for both, okay? But now we're going to get into the Sugar Tuck Whip. It starts again with the lady's left hand, my right. But after 6, you're going to pull her forward onto her left foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now if you notice, she's coming forward because I'm pulling her onto that step. I'm stepping back on my right foot. And I'm also moving over on the track. So we're going to go front to back so you can see how I move. So 1, 2, 3, 4, turn her, 5, and 6. So I'm still starting to begin to turn her to her left, and I'm moving off the track to her right. So sugar push here, 3, 4. Full turn to her right, 1, 2, 3, and 4, pull it forward, 5, and 6. Guys, leave your arm low, elbow connected to the side. And then what you're going to do from there, pull and turn her, half turn to her left as a triple. See what I do in a second. Sugar push, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So it's like a free spin. You're going to connect with the lower part of the back. Guys, come around and catch her on that last triple. So go in this direction, see how I do that. So you're not going to be too far away from her to make that catch, but you got to be close. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pick her up. All right, see how Laura put her left arm on my right shoulder? Pretty cool. So this way, just so you see how that fits. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Pick her up underneath. She's on the right, I'm on my left. And then after that, just basically a whip, walk, walk, triple. So it's a whip, really indie, but that really cool Sugar Tuck variation. Get in. Whole thing. 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull her forward. Pick her up. Half turn. Triple steps. If you don't start that turn on 6, she's not going to feel it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull her forward here. Pick her up. Half turn. Triple. Then, if you want, the other way to get out of it is you stand in close position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10. Connect with her, and then do a regular tuck, if you so choose. So there was 2 ways to get out of it. One way to get into it. Pretty cool as well. Thank you, my dear. She's such a treasure. Love her every Sunday, or a couple Sundays a month. Cannot. We miss her when she's not around, but thank you. Thanks, guys. Hope you like that. Never taught that move here in Herndon before. I've taught it in other places, but never in this location. So hope you like it. Click subscribe for free video every time we're here. We hope you use it. We do. Till next time, have a great week.
Bye.
Keep dancing.